The greatest discovery of all time is that a person can change his future by merely changing his attitude. Oprah Winfrey. This powerful quote from Oprah Winfrey highlights a profound truth. Our beliefs shape our reality. This is especially true when it comes to our mindset. Our mindset, or the way we view ourselves and the world around us, can either empower us to reach our full potential or hold us back from achieving our goals. Consider two individuals facing a challenging situation. One person with a fixed mindset might believe that their abilities are predetermined and unchangeable. They may shy away from the challenge, fearing failure and believing that it will only confirm their perceived limitations. On the other hand, a person with a growth mindset sees challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. They embrace the difficulty, understanding that setbacks and mistakes are an inevitable part of the process. This fundamental difference in belief systems can have a profound impact on an individual's life trajectory. This essay will delve into the concept of a growth mindset, exploring its principles and benefits. We will discuss how embracing challenges, learning from failures, and cultivating a love for learning can unlock your true potential and lead to a more fulfilling and successful life. A growth mindset, a term coined by renowned psychologist Carol Dweck, is the belief that our abilities and intelligence are not fixed traits, but rather qualities that can be developed through dedication, effort, and learning. This concept has revolutionized the way we understand human potential and achievement. It is the understanding that our brains are like muscles that can be strengthened and expanded through practice and perseverance. Just as physical exercise builds muscle, mental challenges and learning experiences build cognitive ability.
In contrast, a fixed mindset is characterized by the belief that our abilities are innate and unchangeable. People with this mindset often see their talents and intelligence as static, leading to a fear of failure and a reluctance to take risks. Individuals with this mindset often shy away from challenges, fearing that failure will expose their perceived limitations. They may prefer to stay within their comfort zones, avoiding situations where they might not excel immediately. They may also avoid effort, believing that if they have to work hard at something, it means they are not naturally good at it. This can lead to a lack of persistence and a tendency to give up easily when faced with obstacles.
The table below summarizes the key differences between a growth mindset and a fixed mindset, highlighting how these perspectives influence our approach to learning and personal development. Feature growth mindset, fixed mindset, embraces challenges as opportunities for growth, seeing them as a chance to develop new skills and knowledge. Avoids challenges for fear of failure, often missing out on valuable learning experiences. Views failures as learning experiences, understanding that mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. Sees failures as evidence of lack of ability, which can lead to discouragement and a lack of motivation to try again. Believes effort is essential for improvement, recognizing that hard work and persistence are key to success. Avoids effort, believing it implies a lack of talent and thus may not reach their full potential. Has a love for learning and seeks out new knowledge, always looking for ways to grow and improve. Believes intelligence is fixed and there is no need to learn new things, which can limit personal and professional growth. Understanding the distinction between these two mindsets is crucial because it lays the foundation for personal and professional development. It influences how we approach challenges, setbacks, and opportunities in our lives. By adopting a growth mindset, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities, enabling us to embrace challenges, learn from our mistakes, and reach our full potential. This mindset not only enhances our personal growth, but also positively impacts our relationships, careers, and overall well-being. One of the hallmarks of a growth mindset is the willingness to embrace challenges. While individuals with a fixed mindset tend to shy away from challenges, those with a growth mindset view them as opportunities for growth and learning. They understand that stepping outside of one's comfort zone is essential for personal and professional development.
Challenges, by their very nature, require us to stretch our abilities and develop new skills. They force us to think creatively, problem-solve effectively, and persevere in the face of adversity. Each challenge we overcome, no matter how small, contributes to our growth and builds our confidence in our ability to handle future obstacles.
Imagine a young child learning to ride a bike. They are likely to fall down multiple times before they master this new skill. Each fall, while initially discouraging, provides valuable feedback. The child learns to adjust their balance, control the handlebars, and eventually, they experience the exhilaration of riding independently. Similarly, in our personal and professional lives, embracing challenges allows us to develop resilience, adaptability, and a growth-oriented approach to life. Whether it's taking on a new project at work, learning a new language, or simply trying a new hobby, stepping outside our comfort zone is essential for personal growth. Section 4. The gift of failure. Learning and growing from setbacks. The fear of failure is a powerful deterrent that prevents many individuals from pursuing their goals and reaching their full potential. This fear can be paralyzing, causing us to avoid taking risks or trying new things. It can keep us stuck in our comfort zones where growth is limited.
In a society that often equates failure with inadequacy, it is easy to internalize setbacks and view them as reflections of our self-worth. We may feel isolated and believe that our failures define us, leading to a negative self-image and decreased motivation.
However, a growth mindset encourages us to reframe our perspective on failure, viewing it not as an endpoint, but rather as a stepping stone on the path to success. This mindset allows us to see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, rather than as threats to our self-esteem. Failure, in essence, is feedback. It is a natural part of the learning process and provides us with essential information that can guide our future actions. It provides valuable information about what worked, what didn't, and what we can do differently next time. By carefully analyzing this feedback, we can make informed decisions and improve our strategies.
When we approach setbacks with a growth mindset, we can extract valuable lessons from our mistakes and use them to inform our future efforts. This approach helps us to become more resilient and adaptable, qualities that are essential for long-term success. By analyzing our failures, identifying areas for improvement, and adjusting our approach accordingly, we transform setbacks into opportunities for growth and learning. This process of continuous improvement is what ultimately leads to mastery and achievement.
Consider the story of Thomas Edison, the renowned inventor of the light bulb. His journey was marked by numerous failures, each of which provided him with valuable insights. Edison famously experienced thousands of failed attempts before finally achieving success. Each failure brought him closer to his goal, as he learned what did not work and adjusted his approach accordingly. When asked about his perseverance despite numerous setbacks, Edison reportedly said, "I have not failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." This perspective highlights the importance of persistence and a positive attitude in the face of failure. This anecdote exemplifies the power of a growth mindset in action. It shows us that failure is not something to be feared, but rather embraced as a crucial part of the journey to success.
Instead of viewing failures as insurmountable obstacles, we should embrace them as valuable learning experiences. Each failure provides us with an opportunity to reflect, learn, and grow. Each setback, when analyzed and understood, brings us one step closer to achieving our goals. By maintaining a growth mindset, we can turn every failure into a stepping stone toward success, ultimately leading to personal and professional growth.
Section 5. Cultivating a love for learning, curiosity, persistence, and the joy of discovery. A growth mindset is intrinsically linked to a love for learning. It is the belief that our abilities and intelligence can be developed with effort, learning, and persistence. When we believe that our abilities are malleable and that we can continuously improve, we open ourselves up to endless possibilities. We develop an insatiable curiosity about the world around us, eager to uncover its mysteries and understand its complexities.
This thirst for knowledge drives us to seek out new information, explore different perspectives, and delve into subjects we might have previously overlooked. It encourages us to challenge our existing beliefs and to be open to new ideas and ways of thinking. Curiosity is the spark that ignites the fire of learning. It propels us forward, pushing us to ask questions and seek answers. It is the innate human desire to understand, to question, and to explore. This drive is what has led to countless discoveries and advancements throughout history.
When we approach learning with a sense of wonder and excitement, we are more likely to retain information, make connections, and engage deeply with the subject matter. This engagement is crucial for meaningful learning. We become active participants in our own education, driven by a genuine interest and passion for the topics we are studying. Persistence is equally important in fostering a love for learning. It is the determination to keep going, even when the path is difficult.
Learning new things can be challenging, and there will inevitably be times when we encounter obstacles or setbacks. These moments test our resolve and commitment. However, a growth mindset encourages us to persevere, to view challenges as opportunities for growth, and to learn from our mistakes. It teaches us that failure is not a dead end, but a stepping stone on the path to success. By embracing challenges and persisting through difficulties, we build resilience and develop a deeper understanding of the subjects we are studying. This persistence is what ultimately leads to mastery and a profound sense of accomplishment.
The joy of discovery is another essential element of a love for learning. It is the exhilaration we feel when we uncover something new or solve a difficult problem, when we make a new connection, grasp a complex concept, or finally master a challenging skill. We experience a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction that is deeply rewarding. This positive reinforcement fuels our desire to continue learning and exploring, creating a virtuous cycle of curiosity and discovery. This joy is what makes the learning process enjoyable and fulfilling, encouraging us to keep pushing our boundaries.
To cultivate a love for learning, we can ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions, even if they seem simple or obvious. Embrace new experiences. Step outside your comfort zone and try new things. Seek out challenges. Don't shy away from challenges. Embrace them as opportunities for growth. Celebrate your progress. Acknowledge and celebrate your learning milestones, no matter how small. Each step forward is a victory. By recognizing and celebrating our achievements, we reinforce our commitment to learning and build confidence in our abilities. This positive reinforcement helps to maintain our motivation and enthusiasm for learning.
But by embracing curiosity, persistence, and the joy of discovery, we can foster a lifelong love for learning that will enrich our lives in countless ways. This love for learning not only enhances our personal growth, but also contributes to our ability to adapt and thrive in an ever-changing world.